Welcome back, everybody. We're going deep today on this one.
Yeah, we are.
Lincoln Haverford's winning mindset. You know, I gotta say, when
It's a fascinating book.
it really is. I was kind of hit by this idea that,
Yeah.
public expression. You think about it,
Mm.
it can be very strategic. It's not always,
Right.
just about finding your voice or anything.
Oh, yeah.
But like how you use your voice as a tool.
Oh, absolutely.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Makes you think twice
Did-
about everything you hear, huh?
Yeah, you know.
Because you're like, is this person trying to,
What's the angle?
Yeah.
What's the angle?
Exactly. Well, and that's what's so fascinating about Haverford's take on this.
Yeah.
Is that he really suggests we view emotions
Okay.
through a different lens.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
He argues that, especially in the public sphere,
Yeah.
emotions are often used to influence others rather than to guide personal decisions.
I see. So public statements are being made more to defend positions and interests rather than to convey genuine thoughts or beliefs.
Whoa, okay. So you're telling me that, like,
Yeah.
when we hear a public figure
Right.
expressing strong emotions about something,
Uh-huh.
we shouldn't necessarily take it at face value.
Not necessarily, no. It's
Okay.
more nuanced than that. I mean, Haverford isn't saying that all emotional expression is manipulative,
Right.
but rather that we should,
I got it.
consider the context.
The context.
And the speaker's motivations. Let's
Sure.
say, for instance,
Yeah.
a CEO gives a
said that.
really passionate speech
Okay.
about a new initiative,
Right.
Yeah. While they might genuinely believe in the project,
Yeah.
their primary goal might be to rally their employees
All right.
and boost investor confidence, know?
So the passion that they're showing
It serves a strategic purpose.
serves a strategic purpose.
Yeah.
It's to get those investors to open up their wallets
Exactly, yeah.
and to get those employees to work harder.
Right.
I gotcha.
Yeah. So.
It's fascinating, isn't it?
Yeah. No, it's,
Yeah.
I mean, this is stuff I think about a lot,
Yeah.
but, so how can we, the average listener,
Yeah.
learn to decipher what's genuine
Right.
and what's strategic,
Well, that's the question, right?
Because I don't want to walk around cynical.
No, of course not.
Yeah.
No, you don't want to doubt everything. But I think
Yeah.
what Haverford provides is a framework
Okay.
for approaching communication
Yeah.
with what we might call informed skepticism.
Informed skepticism.
So instead of being swept away
Yeah.
by emotions, right?
Yeah,
Try to understand
Okay.
the speaker's motivations, you know?
Yeah. Ask yourself, what are their interests?
Yeah.
What are they trying to achieve by saying this?
Okay.
This approach can be applied to anything from political speeches to marketing campaigns to even everyday conversations.
So it's almost like this,
Yeah.
I don't know if this is the right analogy,
Sure.
but it's almost like this,
Go
filter that you can put in place
Right.
to help you sort of
To kind of see through.
yeah
See through.
yeah the
Yeah.
BF,
The facade.
the facade. Yeah. Okay, so I'm hearing you say that developing this informed skepticism
Yeah.
can help me navigate all sorts of situations, right?
Exactly.
Not just public figures and CEOs, right?
Yeah.
But even just my daily life. Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
It allows you to engage with information more critically and make more informed decisions.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
With
Informed decisions based on all the information you have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And not just
the emotion.
the emotion.
Yeah.
Okay, but here's a question that popped into my head.
Right.
Haverford also stresses the importance of ethics
Right.
in communication.
Yes, he does.
Right.
Yeah.
That's a really
He's a big proponent
part of the book.
of compassion, trustworthiness,
Yes.
humanity,
Integrity.
respect for higher principles.
Right.
He even says, and I'm quoting here,
Okay.
be mindful that nothing you say
Yeah.
should stray from embodying these virtues.
Yeah.
Furthermore, aim to create an impression that you genuinely live by them.
Mm-hmm.
How does that fit with
Yeah.
this whole idea of strategic communication?
That's a great question.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. It's
It seems kind of at odds
well,
with each other.
what-
I think Haverford believes that pragmatism and ethics are not mutually exclusive.
Okay.
In fact, he argues that projecting those virtues is actually in your best interest.
Okay.
It enhances your credibility, builds trust, and ultimately makes you more persuasive.
Okay, so it's about aligning your actions and your words.
Yes.
You can't just talk the talk.
Right.
You have to walk the walk.
You have to walk the walk.
You
Yeah.
know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You can't just be saying, oh.
Right. Right.
You have to actually embody those values.
You're a virtuous person if you're not acting that way.
Right.
Right.
Exactly.
Exactly.
It's going to come across as inauthentic.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And people will see through that.
People will see through that, yeah.
Yeah.
So Haverford's advocating for sort of...
He calls it mindful pragmatism.
Mindful pragmatism.
Where you're strategic in your communication while remaining true to your values. So how do we put this mindful pragmatism into practice?
Yeah, it's a good question, right?
Are there any tips?
Yeah, yeah.
Anything actionable that Haverford gives us?
Well, one of the most practical tips he offers is this.
Okay.
Before you speak, pause. Ask yourself 2 questions.
Right.
Will this statement contribute to my goals? And will it enhance my public image?
Okay.
If the answer to either question is no, silence might be the best option.
Ah.
Yeah.
So sometimes the most strategic move is to say nothing at all.
Absolutely.
Right.
Yeah, it can prevent you from saying something you regret or that damages your credibility.
Right, right, right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so remember, choosing your words carefully and behaving in a way that aligns with your values ultimately strengthens your position in any interaction.
This has been incredibly insightful. Thank you for breaking it down for us.
My pleasure. It's always fun to talk about this stuff.
It's yeah, it really is.
Yeah.
And for you listening, here's something to ponder.
Okay.
If public figures are, as Haverford suggests, primarily focused on influencing us, how does that change your perception of leadership and authority?
It's a good question.
Food for thought.
Right.
That is, yeah.
Yeah, it really is.
Absolutely. Well, we'll see you all next time.
Yeah, see you later.
For another day, Beth.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for coming.
See ya.
If you want to dive deeper into these concepts, I cover them extensively in my book, Winning Mindset, the ultimate guide to cultivating confidence, growth, and assertive leadership for lasting success. The book is available for purchase on Amazon, and it expands on the ideas discussed in this video, along with much more. You can find the link to the book in the description below. Thank you for tuning in to Win with Lincoln. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on leadership and relationships.